Hey, in this video we are going to review Advanced System Care version 7. As you know, Advanced System Care is a flagship product of iobit.com. So let's begin with the review. We'll begin with its installation. Here is the setup file of nearly 32 megabytes. So this is our setup wizard. Okay, this comes integrated with iobit apps toolbar, which really isn't essential, so I would decline it. Yep. And now begin with the traditional installation. Click on finish. As you can see, I installed it within 30 to 45 seconds. So that was pretty smooth and fast. Oh, so this version 7 has a completely Metro styled interface, highly inspired from Windows 8. So this gives me an overview of the iobit products. Okay, you can skip this easily, and in the last step you get an option to select skin. This is classic one, which you are aware of if you have been using Advanced System Care since version 5 or 6. So for the test purpose we'll go with Metro, which is a new skin. So here we are. So this is how the Metro interface of the new Advanced System Care version 7 looks. As you can see, the main interface is divided into Care, Toolbox, Turbo Boost and the Action Center. To begin with, we'll click on this one-click scan button, which will remove malware, sweep my privacy from browsers like my internet surfing history, then boost my internet connection. Then if I want, I can also choose to defrag my registry. The new option called Security Defense, which prevents malware from being installed in your PC. I don't know how it works. Maybe it has an integrated Bitdefender antivirus engine, which comes with Advanced System Care Ultimate. Vulnerability fix, which fixes the Windows vulnerabilities. Okay. In system optimization, this repairs the system. Then shortcut fixes, which while we installing and using many programs, there are automatically created many shortcuts in our PC. They became invalid after some time because they are only used for a temporary period of time. So this helps cleaning them. And in the registry fix option, this improves the registry performance. Okay, so we'll begin with the scanning. As of now, you can see the PC was never scanned before for the performance test. So the icon says that the health currently of my PC is fair. So I click on the scan button and it begins the scanning and fixing of all these problems which I have selected on this video. As you can see, it has begun with the malware threat. So it is now scanning for registry errors. 62% has already done. So the scanning has been completed and we have the reports here. As I had selected the privacy issue, the advanced system has given me a warning to exit Chrome, otherwise sweeping process will be skipped. This is because that the privacy issue module erases the internet surfing history, and if the browser is open, it cannot have access to the files which has to be swept or deleted. So I'll close the browser. The report says that there were 2091 problems on my computer, and that was the reason the health of my PC was fair and not good or better or best. So in terms of various factors, here are the ratings about my PC as of now. In terms of security, it says really bad, maybe because there were 1463 issues found. And in terms of performance, which is mostly related with the junk and errors on my computer, so there is just 44 megabytes of junks, and the registry is also fine, including the shortcut errors. They are minimal. So we'll begin with the repairing process. So just clicking on repair button, all the 2091 problems will be fixed in a click. When it comes to examine the security holes, it also detects if you have updated your drivers, or there are some patches to be made, or something which is outdated and may cause a security issue. So as you can see in the Windows vulnerability fix, this advanced system care is automatically downloading a Microsoft camera codec pack for my Windows 8. So basically in this module, what the advanced system care does is detects for installed software and drivers on your system, and checks if there is an update available for it, and if at all it is present, it downloads automatically and install it for you, so you don't have to search for an update individually. The next option on the interface window is Toolbox. The toolbox consists of many more modules. The first module is cleaning. It includes IOBit uninstaller, easily uninstalled, or direct have a uninstall button. Let's have a look. It's similar to the programs and features of your Windows 8. Then there is Malware Fighter. It is an optional program which is downloaded and installed when you click on it. As of now, for the test demo purposes going on, we'll ignore this. It isn't important as I already have an antivirus installed on my system. Then this is Registry Cleaner. Okay, so for this feature you have to upgrade to Pro Edition. So among others, there is a security, controlling, repairing and optimizing. Program Deactivator. This is a new feature which wasn't present in any of the previous versions of the advanced system care. Now it helps you disable background services and startup items. These are some of the programs which you do not really see on screen, but they are continuously running in background, or they automatically get started when you start the Windows. So to get rid of such programs, you can use this Program Deactivator module of the advanced system care by just clicking here. So it shows the list of the programs which are enabled automatically. So there are 8 of them in my case. I'll take care that Bitdefender antivirus isn't disabled because this is an essential program. Yes, I can disable these programs which I think aren't needed. So apart from antivirus, you can disable everything. Then another new feature is Start Menu 8. This brings back your accustomed Windows Start button and Start menu, which was present in previous Windows version like Windows 7 or XP. So this is again a optional feature which starts downloading when I clicked on it. Okay, we'll let it download and let's see how it looks. Then among another new feature is Manage Mobile. It manages your Android devices remotely. This is again an optional feature. I guess this is a Advanced System Care mobile program, which is another product of the IOBIT itself. Among the new feature again is this driver booster, which updates and backup your drivers. It detects the installed drivers and checks if there is an update available and automatically downloads and updates it. The homepage protection. This was really an essential feature. Like while browsing, many adwares or malwares try to change the homepage of your browser, and when you open the browser, you get to visit them even if you don't want to. So using this feature, you can protect the homepage of your browser from changing and secure yourself from malicious modifications. So as of now, it supports Firefox, Chrome and Internet Explorer. Then the other features which you can see were already present in previous version. Okay, the download of Start Menu, it has been completed. Now we'll see how does it look. Okay, so here you can see the Windows 7 Start Off button has appeared here, and the interface too looks similar to what we used to be in the previous Windows version. So if you don't like the new Start Menu, this is really a good option to enable and get your Start Menu back on Windows 8 too. The next module is Turbo Boost. In this, it helps you to optimize and speed up your computer by configuring manually. By default, there are two boost modes. In the work mode, it boosts your computer for better work experience by terminating more unnecessary services and applications. While in game mode, it boosts your computer performance by giving a superior gaming experience by again disabling the unnecessary system and non-Windows services. So you don't get you don't get pings of unnecessary things while playing a game and focus on only game. So as I'm working now, I'll keep it on work mode itself. The next tab is Action Center. Action Center shows or gives me suggestions of what has to be done to optimize and boost up the performance of my computer. In the security module, it is asking me to install IOBIT malware fighter 2. I don't think it is really necessary because I already have a dedicated antivirus installed on my system. The driver booster, this could be said as the important module which can be installed from Toolbox, which was optional. And the Smart Refrag, this again can be installed from the Toolbox. And Advanced Mobile Care, this is really an optional. I don't think this is essential. If you have an Android device and want to secure your Android device too, this could be installed. But this is again a completely different product and you may have to purchase another copy or license to get it. And about Start Minuet, yes, we have already installed it, as you can see. So this is all about the Advanced System Care version 7. So overall I am really impressed with the interface and the additions of tools they have included in Toolbox. So this is really a great installment they have, right? And it really shows that developers have worked at and kept in mind the customer requirements and really brought a nice update to their flagship product. So thanks for watching. To get your free download of this Advanced System Care version 7, click the link given in the description. Thanks for watching and do subscribe if you like it. Bye.